Hello, this is Emily coming at you from PG Ford, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V6 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and this vehicle also comes equipped with an XLT Black Appearance Package and the XLT Sport Package, as well as the nice trailer tow package. Taking a look at the wheels here, we can see that we do have 20-inch black gloss aluminum wheels, which provides a nice look to the vehicle. We also have mud flaps in both rear and front tires, as well as that nice gripped running board, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim. Moving to the back, we do have rear park sensing, a dual exhaust, as well as that nice backup camera right there. Moving to the front, we can see here that we do have 2 tow hooks for all your towing necessity, a nice front-facing camera, and a license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we have a nice black leather interior with some nice light gray stitching. The door has plenty of storage, which is pretty nice. Now moving in, we have 2 cup holders, a 12-volt outlet, a USB and a USB-C, and a 120-volt outlet right there. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see the seat is powered, as well as having the same black leather and gray stitching we saw in the back there. Looking at the door, we have plenty of storage space as well. We have that pedal adjuster, your parking brake, your 2 blind spot detections, as well as your tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the odometer, we're at 17 kilometers right there. And taking a look at the wheel, we do have our toggle menu for right there, as well as your phone and your station controls, volume and voice controls, and your cruise controls right there. Looking at your main menu right here, we do have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. Taking a look over to the right, we do have a collapsible gear shifter, which provides you a little extra space, as well as a nice little slot for your phone, 2 cup holders, a nice cubby space, USB-C and a USB, as well as your 4-wheel drive right here and your drive modes, which your drive modes are normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and ruts, tow and haul, eco, and sport. Now taking a look over here, you do have your trailer disconnect and your pro trailer assist. You do have dual climates, so no need to fight over the temperature, as well as heated seats. You also have your volume controls right there, your 12-volt outlet, and your 120-volt outlet right there. You have your auto start and auto stop, your 360 look at the vehicle, your hazards, as well as your traction control. Looking at your main menu here, you have your audio, your phone controls, navigation so you don't get lost, your favorites such as your apps, towing, zone lighting, Wi-Fi. You do have a Wi-Fi hotspot with this vehicle, apps such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings such as SiriusXM, sound, connectivity, vehicle hotspot, features of the vehicle such as driving assist, zone lighting, towing, and manual. Looking up above me, we do have that rear window opener, as we can see there, which is pretty handy. The stock number for this vehicle is FC79391, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.